Good. You?
Pretty good.
Garbage disposal problem?
Yeah, I don't know why you guys replaced it, I guess, before they sold the company. I think last year. See, it's on the top.
Okay.
And I press it, nothing happens. I checked the breakers, they're not off. And then also, they see this thing here? It, look, it got all wobbly. It fell apart.
Oh, I can see it's loose. Yep. That was the reset button I hit. Yeah, I see the hair now.
Stink or anything? No. There it is. Well, I'm sure guys don't get their things clogged. You gonna put that on your Instagram story?
This is still a good one. Okay, yeah, this is good stuff. Look at this. This is good.
Good. See, I couldn't get all that out because I didn't know how to take the little thing out.
Never gonna be no one turn on my brother when police got to detain. I wanna be loved, one of my mother, and that's on my government name.
Hi, I'm benevolent flush. Healer Gilofossi. Healer Gilofossi.
Got that big Birkin bag, she like all that pics. Make that big booty work.
Seat broke here.
Okay.
And these are not like normal, they're anchored into the single piece toilet.
Right,
They have
I
like
see
a
it.
nut on the bottom. So when I went to go try and like do it myself, I just said, you know, I between the cost of the anchor kit.
Are these original to the home?
Hey, my brothers and I'ma still show you love. Hopping out the car, no photos, babe. Yeah.
And we tried to put so it was very slow. So we tried to put this
Yeah, this needs
drain
to be.
cleaner, and then push it so everything just came back like this.
Ladies, I don't know my curvy, wavy, big, little waist body, yada 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 yada.
It's both of them?
Yeah, now
I gotta go for your roof vent with a real machine.
it's like a rat. Yeah, that was nice.
Just left from drunk, but I'm both right now. Got me talking about my life.
No, you can't go in the room. No, it's disgusting.
Oh, it's made the floor all wet?
Yeah,
Poor thing.
it's okay. This is now the first part of it was okay. I came in one night. I was out, and all this was drenched. This is 2 days now. I sent her a picture. She says it's coming through here. Trying to tell me
Under the concrete.
Nasty, talk big, but my bank account bad shit. Hood, but I'm classy. Rich, but I'm ratchet. Haters kept my name in their mouth, not a gagging. Tell